Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. I've got one reason for you to belong to this channel. This is the second one of these fish that I've caught in the last 2 days. This is an 8-pound lake trout, 27 inches long. So subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. This is all that this channel is about. Fishing, hunting, anything to do with the great outdoors is what I cover in this channel. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and you have a great day. Good afternoon, my name is Tom. Welcome to Beaver Creek Deer Camp. I come to you from Northern Maine. But today I'm looking for something. And the best way I know how to see what I'm looking for is to get a hold of you guys out in YouTube land. If you're watching this video and you live in the state of Maine or in New Hampshire, I would travel to New Hampshire as well as probably any place in Maine. What I am looking for some pipe staging. I'm looking for 4 pieces. Depending on price, I might be looking for 8 pieces. So if you're in Maine or if you're in New Hampshire, I'm looking for 4 to 8 pieces of pipe staging. What I need the pipe staging for is out here at Beaver Creek. We have a marsh and a big wetlands out in front of this little cabin that we're building. In the middle of that marsh, I plan on putting up a big tree stand for bear hunting as well as coyote hunting in the winter time, and it probably will be able to position it so that it would be even good for deer season. But the reason I want to go pipe staging is because I have 3 grandsons. I got another one on the way, so we're going to have 4 grandsons here by fall. So this is going to be a busy place. But with the pipe staging, I can build a small fish house up on the top of it. I'm not exactly sure what the dimensions are of pipe staging. It seems to me like they're 5 feet by 8 feet when it's opened up. So I'm not sure I'd build a building up there 8 feet, but yeah, I probably would go 5 feet by 8 feet wide if that's what they are. But I'd like to build a fish house up there with windows that tilt in. It's actually a tree stand. But I say fish house because I will rip the 2x4s down like I do for a fish house and build it in the same manner, except everything on the ground, pull it up and screw it into place. Just like I would do on one of my fish house builds. So if you've got some pipe staging, if you've retired out of the building industry or something like that, I'm looking for some pipe staging to put towards this legacy that I am leaving here for the grandsons. I think with the pipe staging, now you guys might know more about pipe staging than I do, but I think with the pipe staging, as long as I cabled it down on all 4 corners, maybe even tucked it up against a big tree and got it bolted into that, I believe it would stand there quite nicely, as long as I don't build too big a building. And I'm only planning on going up 2 pieces, which I think that is it's either 8 feet or 10 feet. I'm not sure. Like I said, I haven't touched a piece of pipe staging in probably 30 years. So my dimensions are going by probably a very weak memory, but I think they're 5 feet tall, maybe 6 feet. I'm not sure. But it doesn't matter. If I can get up anywhere from 8 to 12 feet off the ground with this tree stand, that would be perfect for what I got plans here. The reason I want 8 is because it's a big piece of land and I could actually have a couple of these things set up. So depending on price, like I said, and whatever we can work out, that's what I'm looking for. looking forward to letting the boys get up there and play with that stuff. And as well as the other thing I plan on doing here with the boys, and hopefully we'll get one of them in here this summer where he can help. I got a couple of duck boxes already built, so I would like to get him started on building and maintaining his own fleet of duck houses. And he's 10 years old, and the other one he's not quite old enough. He's 6 years, so give him a couple of more years. But if I can get the older one maybe interested in taking care of these ducks, that might be a really good way to tie him to this piece of property. And the stream out here is more than big enough for a boat. So there's no telling how far we can go with these duck boxes. You know I can go that way at least a couple of miles, and I'm pretty sure I can go that way maybe for 10 miles until it runs into the other lake that it actually runs into. But I would like to put up a bunch of duck boxes, put them up, and then let the boys help maintain them with the snowmobile come next winter. You know, when you go clean them out, put some shavings back in, get them ready for the next season of ducks. But I already know that there's wood ducks out here, and the wood ducks like them little boxes. And I also have a way of building a mallard nesting area. So maybe we can help out the two populations and get the boys hooked on nature. I'm not a duck hunter, but I do like taking care of the ducks. Nothing I love to see any more than ducks, loons, everything else when I do come up to a pond or a lake or a stream or something like that. So, like I said, if you got any pipe staging, keep me in mind. If you like stuff like this and you want to be a part of this expanding the dream of East Grand Woodsman here on this new hunting grounds, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and then hit that notification button, because I need YouTube to know that you want to watch this kind of stuff. I can't say that enough. That's the only way that YouTube will suggest my videos, is if you guys will watch them and watch them through to the end. Don't fast forward, all of that stuff, because any fast forwarding or getting out early is a death sentence for each and every one of the videos that I put up. And it's quite a bit of work that goes into these videos. So that's all I want to say on that. I appreciate your help, and I hope you're all having a great week, and I will see you in the next one.